Hi, this is Neil. I know I haven't been online for a bit. It's been a few months since I've written anything. I hurt my shoulder back in July, and I really haven't typed anything since because it hurts my shoulder, and I'm just trying to make the best of it for now. I am going to be setting some intentions for 2024. I can't believe we're in that year already. And winding down 2023. I feel like I didn't do too much this year, and I'm gonna try to change that in the new year. I can't promise I'm gonna write every day, but I'm gonna try to write at least 3 days a week.